everybody, it's Virona here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a little secret ingredient that I use for a very healthy and thriving garden. This ingredient you're most likely to already have at home, and if you don't, it's very easy accessible. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what I use. So this mystery ingredient is actually coffee grounds. So I don't personally drink coffee, but a lot of the people in my household do, and rather than throwing away the cups, I figured why not put them to use? So coffee is actually very beneficial for your plants because it has a good source of nitrogen. So I'm just gonna grab a bowl, any kind of bowl that I can mix the coffee grounds with water, and a spoon for mixing as well. And right now I'm just using the back of the spoon to kind of open the coffee grounds up so it'll be easy for me to just throw it all in the bowl. I want to mention that you can't just use any kind of coffee grounds. I know there's some that may have stuff added into it, and you don't want that. You want pure original coffee grounds. I'm not sure how pure these McCafe Keurig ones are, but they seem to not be hurting my plants, so I'm not worried too much about it. The benefits of nitrogen for your plants are that your stems are going to be growing stronger, and your plants overall, they'll have a more green and healthy look to them. So I would definitely recommend coffee grounds for this. I do want to mention that the reason I am mixing them in a bowl with water is because coffee grounds are very acidic, so it's not good that your plants get too much of that acid or they can burn. So that's why I'm just kind of diluting it. So here we are, the finished result of me putting the 3 Keurig coffee grounds into the bowl. It's very nice and fine, and honestly the smell is amazing, so I love this process. And now here I am pouring the water into the bowl. Like I said, this reduces the acid that's in the coffee grounds. Now I'm just going to be mixing it up so it's not as clumpy and more easy to water down your plants with. And here's a plus for these Keurig cups. You can actually use them for little seed starters. So right now I'm just going to clean it out a little bit, make sure I get all the coffee grounds out of the cup. And now I'm just ripping off all the aluminum so it looks all nice and clean. And what's good about these used Keurig cups is that they actually have a hole on the bottom when they're being used, so it's good for drainage. Now that we're all done, I'm gonna just dispose my trash and then we'll get started. Alright guys, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be putting my new planters to use. So this is actually garlic. It's really easy to grow, and I find these little pots perfect for something so small and simple as garlic. So I'm just putting them in there, making sure they're nice and stable, and this is the finished result. Alright, so that concludes my secret home ingredient for a thriving and healthy garden. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys found it useful in some kind of way. If you guys have any other gardening questions, let me know, and I'll be sure to respond and help as best as I can. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.